Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 4, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong August 4, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral ng babasan para sa 2 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, August 4, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 4, 2025, Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for August 4, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of August 4, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.